my friends, happy Halloween and welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Inarra. I'm back by popular demand. Many students have asked, when are you going to cook again? So today we're going to be making two Halloween recipes. One very easy, capizi, lemon squeezy, and the other one a little more complicated, but still everyone's going to be able to do it. Okay, ready to go? The first one we're going to be making today is called Mummy Crackers. All right, first things first, always wash your hands or sanitize them because we want to make sure we're very clean for our cooking. So I'm washing mine or putting hand sanitizer, sorry. Okay, we're ready to go. The ingredients for today's Mummy Crackers are, of course, crackers. My favorite are Club Social because they're so buttery. Then you need cream cheese, you need a few chocolate chips, and you need any type of white cheese. So it looks like the mummy, the wrapping around the mummy, okay? I used queso coreana, but you can use any cheese. Okay, so what do? You get a knife, and you get your cracker, and you're going to spread cream cheese evenly on the cracker. That's going to be kind of the background because we're not going to have a lot of the mummy wrapper, so you don't see the cracker. So you can just see white on it. And I'll put it over here. I'll do two, one for me and one to share with my tummy. Or you can share with somebody that's with you, helping you, the adult that's helping you when you're cooking. I have two friends here helping me, my producer, Miss Monica, and my cameraman, Mr. Isra. And so I think I'll make one for each of them and one for me. So we spread on the cracker the cream cheese. There we go. Nice and even as you can. Then we come over here, I cut my cheese. You're gonna wanna have an adult help you cut the cheese. So as you can see, you want the cheese to be, if you can see it here, you want it to be in long strips, right? Because it's gonna go on the cracker, zigzaggy, to look like the mummy that's wrapped up. So I measure it this way. I hope you can see how I'm doing it. I'm measuring it like that. And then I'll cut off the little piece that we don't need that's over the cracker. And then I need another one. I'm gonna go the other way now. Do you see how I'm doing it? Zigzag, like crisscross. And then one more. I think I have one more right here. There we go. So it's kind of zigzag. Do you see how it goes? One way, the other way, the other way. So I'll do that because that's the wrapping of the mummy that's wrapped up, right, in cloth. So I'll cut off the extra part. I hope you're doing it as well. And there we go. There we go. That one's okay. Maybe a little extra off the sides. There we go. And now my last one. You can make, of course, as many as you want, but I'm just going to make 3 so that you can see them quickly. There we go. You have some extra cheese there. So now the mummy bodies are ready. You see? Almost looks like a little like coffin and the mummy's laying in it. But we need little eyes for the mummy, and that's where the chocolate chips come into play. So we'll pour some chocolate chips into my clean hands. Okay, and we'll put 2 eyes on each mummy, right? Their eyes, and now they don't have to be like straight or anything. They can be funny eyes, however you want them, in whatever order you want them. Like one on top of the other, maybe. Like I'm gonna do this one, it's gonna be one on top of the other. There we go. So here are my mummies. And I made a few extra. So I'm going to show you here. I have some more. And I'll put them all on the plate. Oh my gosh. They look so cute. What a cute little Halloween snack. Look at that. Don't they look great? All are crackered. Do you see them better like that? Oh, I don't want them to fall off. They're gonna fall. All of our cracker Halloween mummies. Can you see them there good, cameraman? All right, now to taste them. Okay, here we go. You're gonna choose one. And, you ready? I'm gonna choose the side. I'm gonna eat off the head first with the chocolate chips. Mmm! Magnifique! Oh my gosh. Delicious! I love, the salty sweet thing going on with the cheese, the cracker, and the chocolate. Terrific. All right, sorry, I think I just spit on you. I wanted to show you my Halloween witch earrings. And I have my little ghost. And I have my jack-o'-lantern. And do you see? I'm dressed in pajamas because today is pajama day, book week in elementary. I hope you're dressed in your pajamas having fun at home with your mom and dad to make this delicious treat. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed cooking with Mrs. Inarra. Bye, my friends.
Have your heart for maze. Zombie march. Although we walk dead slow, we're looking for recruits and our numbers sure to grow.